Good morning, children. Today I am here to discuss English Lit chapter 6 of class 4, Ramlingam. Many hard words are there. I will discuss the meaning of those hard words also. Now, because this chapter is too big, that is why today I will discuss half of the chapter, and in the next class, next rest of the chapter will be discussed. Okay. There was a rich farmer. He had 3 sons. The first 2 sons were very intelligent and clever. Everybody considered his third son as useless. People thought that he can never get anything done and called him Ramlingam. Now, once upon a time, there lived a rich farmer and he had 3 sons. The first 2 sons were very intelligent and clever too. But the third son, the people used to think that he is of no use, and that is why people used to call him as Ram Lingam. एक फार्मर था, उसका 3 बेटा था. तीनों में 2 बेटा बहुत इंटेलिजेंट और चालाक भी था, लेकिन तीसरा जो बेटा था उसके बारे में लोग सोचते थे कि ये कुछ काम के लिए नहीं है, इसीलिए उनका नाम रखा गया है रामलिंगम. One day the first son wanted to go out and earn money. He said that he would go to the forest and cut the wood. His mother made a lot of good sweets and also gave him sarbat to drink. The boy went to the forest. There he saw an old man sitting on the ground. The old man asked the farmer's son, "I am very hungry and thirsty. Can you give me something?" Now one day the first son, he told his parents that I want to earn some money, and so that is why I want to go to the forest. And what his mother did, his mother just made a lots of good sweets and gave sarbat with him, and he took the food and went away to the forest. Okay, and there, before reaching to the forest, he saw an old man was sitting near the forest, and he was asking for food and drink because he was very hungry. एक दिन उसका फार्मर का जो बड़ा बेटा था, उसने बोला कि हम पैसा कमाएंगे और हम जंगल में जाएंगे. तो बोल के वो उसका मम्मी उसके साथ बहुत सारे मिठाई दे दिए हैं और शरबत भी दे दिए हैं, और वो खाना लेकर वो बड़ा बेटा ने जंगल चला गया है. तो जंगल पहुंचने के पहले देखा है कि उस सामने एक बूढ़ा आदमी ने बैठा हुआ है, और वो आदमी पूछ रहा है कि तुम्हारे पास कुछ खाने का चीज़ है, कुछ खाना है और कुछ ड्रिंक है, हमको बहुत जोर से भूख लगा है. द फार्मर्स सन रिफ्यूज्ड एंड टोल्ड दैट ही हैड ओनली अ स्मॉल क्वांटिटी एंड ही कैन नॉट गिव इट टू द ओल्ड मैन. When he started cutting the tree, it fell on his hand and his hand broke. So he was forced to come home. Then the second son told his father, "I will go to the forest and cut the wood." His mother gave him few sweets to eat and lime juice to drink. He went to the forest and met the same old man. Now, when that farmer's son refused to give him the food and drink because he is having less quantity, and he was afraid that if he shared, then maybe he can't get the sufficient amount. That is why he refused to give the food and drink to that old man. And when he started cutting the tree, that tree fell on his hand and his hand was broken. So ही वेंट बैक टू हिज होम. जब ने वो बूढ़ा आदमी ने पूछा है कि मेरे लिए कुछ खाना और प्यास और ड्रिंक है, तो उसने बोला नहीं, हम तुमको नहीं दे सकते हैं क्योंकि मेरा पास इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. और बोल के जब भी पैर काटने लगा है तो पैर गिर के उसका हाथ के ऊपर पर गिरा है और हाथ टूट गए हैं. तो तुरंत उसको वापस घर जाना पड़ा. The old man asked him for food and something, but he was afraid that it would get over. Now, when he was forced to come home, then the second son told his father, "I will go to the forest and cut the wood." His mother gave him few sweets and eat and lime juice to drink. He went to the forest and met the same old man. Now when he came back to the home, that first son, the second son told his father that now I want to go to the forest, and his mother gave us sweets and lime juice with him. He took the food and went to the forest. The old man asked him for food and something to drink, but he was afraid that it would get over. He also told the old man, "No, I cannot give you anything." When he started cutting, the tree fell on his leg and his leg broke. He had to carry it to his home by others. Now, the second boy, the farmer's second son, when he saw that old man was asking for food and drink to him, he also refused to give him. He said, "No, I can't share my food and drink with you because I have less quantity." Now, when he started cutting the wood, and the tree fell on his leg and his leg was broken, and so he was carried by few people to his home. He went back to his home. दूसरा जो बेटा था वो भी बुढ़ा आदमी के देखा है, और बुढ़ा आदमी ने उसके पास भी मांगा था ये खाना और ड्रिंक, लेकिन उसने मना कर दिया कि नहीं, हम नहीं दे सकते हैं क्योंकि मेरा पास इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है। और बोल के जब भी उसने पेड़ काटने लगा, पेड़ गिर के उसके पाँव के ऊपर गिर गया है और पाँव टूट गया है। तो कुछ आदमी लोग को हेल्प लेकर तुरंत घर पर वापस लौट गया है और उसने वापस चला गया है आदमी लोग को हेल्प लेकर। आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज रामलिंगन टोल्ड हिज पेरेंट्स दैट ही वुड गो टू द फॉरेस्ट टू कट ट्रीज. His parents made fun of him when he insisted his mother gave him white rice and water to take to the forest. When he went to the forest, he met the same old man who asked him, "I am hungry and thirsty. Now, can you give me something?" Now, when after a few days, when Ramlingan told his parents that I want to go to the forest and want to earn some money, his parents, instead of encouraging him, his parents laughed at him. But he repeatedly insisted his parents that no, I want to go to the forest. Then his mother just gave him white rice and plain water with him. He took that food and he went to the forest, and same thing happened. He met with the same old man and he was asking for food and drink to him. Okay. Ramlingan readily agreed but told him, "I have only small quantity of white rice and plain water. If you want it, you can share it with me." The old man agreed and they opened the packets that Ramlingan had brought. Ramlingan was surprised. The white rice had become kheer and the water had become lassi. Both of them shared this tasty food. Then the old man blessed Ramlingan and went his way. Ramlingan started to cut a tree. As soon as the tree fell down, he saw a golden parrot below the tree. He took the golden parrot and came out of the forest. He had to stay in a hotel that night. The hotel owner had 3 daughters. They all saw the golden parrot and wanted to steal. Now see, when Ramlingan, when that old man asked Ramlingan to give some food and water, Ramlingan was agreed. Okay, and he said, though I am having less quantity, if you want to share, you can share with me." That old man, he was agreed, and they both of them opened that food packet which the Ramlingan brought with him, and surprisingly Ramlingan was so surprised to see that white rice had become kheer and the plain water had become lassi. So they were very happy, and the old man and Ramlingam, both of them shared that food happily. After eating the food, that old man blessed Ramlingan and went away. So, and now the Ramlingan started to cutting the tree, and when the tree fell down, a golden parrot just came under the tree. Ramlingan took the golden parrot and he came out of the forest. He went to a hotel to spend that night in that hotel, and that hotel owner had 3 daughters. Those 3 daughters had seen the golden parrot and they wanted to steal it. But my dear children, you know, stealing is not at all a good habit. Now Ramlingan जब एग्रीड हो गया कि हाँ हम खाना दे देंगे, तो दोनों मिलकर खाना का पैकेट खोला है और रामलिंगन को बहुत आश्चर्य हो गया है कि उसमें वाइट राइस जो था वो तो खीर बन गया और पानी जो था वो लस्सी बन गया। तो दोनों बहुत बहुत खुश हो गया है और दोनों मिलकर खाना खा लिया है। और खाना खाने के बाद उसी ओल्ड मैन ने रामलिंगन को आशीर्वाद करके चला गया है। तो रामलिंगन उसके बाद पैर काटने लगा और पैर जब गिर गया है तो उसके अंदर से एक गोल्डन पैरेट, मतलब गोल्ड से बना हुआ है, निकले हैं। तो वो रामलिंगन वो गोल्डन पैरेट लेकर बाहर आ गया है, जंगल से बाहर आ गया है और एक होटल में उसी रात को बिताने के लिए रुक गए हैं। तो होटल का जो मालिक था उसका तीनों बेटियां था और तीनों बेटियां ने देखा है कि गोल्डन पैरेट को, और वो तीनों को बहुत बहुत विश कर रहा था कि इसको चोरी करना है। लेकिन माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, चोरी करना ठीक बात नहीं है। So okay, today up to this, and the next class we will again go to the rest of the chapter. Many hard words are there. I'm telling you the meaning. Considered, think carefully. Okay. Agreed, sympathized, insisted, demand something forcefully, and refused, unwilling to give, and forced, pressure. Okay, so up to this today, my dear children, you read the chapter 10 times, and next class I will discuss the next half of the chapter, and then we will go to the exercises and question answers too. So my dear children, live at home, stay at home, obey your parents, and learn new lessons. Okay, thank you.